Techno update. Subscribe now.
Alcatel A5 LED review. Design and LED lights. There's one reason to buy the Alcatel A5 LED, the LED shell on its rear. It's actually removable, but to call it a case is a real disservice. There's also no sign here of any of the extra hardware features we've seen starting to drip down to cheaper phones. There's no fingerprint scanner, and the Alcatel A5 LED has a micro USB socket rather than newer USB-C. 16GB storage and a microSD slot keep it up with the rest in other respects, though. Screen. The Alcatel A5 LED has a 5-inch 720p IPS LCD screen. It isn't as sharp as the Moto G5's display, but this isn't something that presented as an issue as I continued using the handset. Software. The Alcatel A5 LED runs Android 6.0, a dated version of the OS, and features a custom interface on top. Since the interface changes the look of Android, the main loss of not having the newer software is the use of old-style notifications, with simple post-it-like blocks instead of the more info-rich kind you get with Android 7.0. Performance. The Alcatel A5 LED has an octa-core MediaTek MT6753 CPU, which has Cortex-A53 cores. These are identical to those found in the Moto G5, and a host of other budget and mid-range phones. Benchmarks such as Geekbench 4 show that, in theory, this setup should easily be powerful enough to make a 720p resolution phone run extremely well. It scores 2,400 points, close to the Moto G5's score, yet the Moto G5 doesn't suffer from such persistent day-to-day performance issues. Camera. The Alcatel A5 LED features a basic camera array and is an area in which this phone lags behind some others at the price. It has an 8-megapixel rear camera, where others include higher quality 13-megapixel sensors. In good light, it's possible to see that there's higher resolution on tap than a basic VGA or 2-megapixel camera, since the Alcatel A5 LED is able to pick apart those fine beard hairs, if you have them. Battery life. The Alcatel A5 LED offers only fair battery life, despite having a fairly large 2800 mAh battery. The phone will last reasonably well if carrying out only basic tasks, and holds up well when left sitting around. Start streaming the odd podcast or making good use of the LED case, however, and it will easily drain to empty before the day is over.